back to the channel. I don't know if you can tell, this is sunshine. We got the overhead door open. It's in the 60s today for a change. I don't know how long it's going to stay that way. We'll probably get another few cold days, but for now, weather's nice. Got the overhead door open. The shop cat's outside wandering around, getting some sunshine and some fresh air. Last week's video, troubleshooting the fuel leak. Had some bad 90-degree connectors, so got 3 brand new ones. So we're gonna work on getting the fuel line back together today. I think we'll probably fire it up just to see if they leak, long enough to see if we got fuel leaks and shut her down, and then we'll see what's next. See what she does. Alright, we had some leaks. We snugged them up a little bit more. So hopefully that took care of it, and we adjusted the what is that, the idle? Adjusted the idle, pushed all the way in, 2.5 out, which I think we had it, but I'm not sure. But it would only set and run at full choke. So we're gonna check for leaks and hopefully set the idle. Want to change out the plug, the wires?
Do you have new wires?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They're just shorter stems.
That'd be even better. Also, our timing. Oh shoot.
Timing's set.
Timing for sure set.
Yep. Oh, you know what? You know why I wouldn't start?
Oh,
that's why I wasn't getting spark. Well, she's idling without the choke. Last week all I could do is full choke and set and idle. Saw the video. So this week, couldn't get it to idle. What all did we do? We had to clean. Yeah, we had to adjust the float. We adjusted the metering rod. We had to clean out a couple jets, clog jets in the carb. Now, I'm gonna grab the camera. Not settling good, no choke. See what, yeah, little tuning to go yet. So there's some fine tuning to be done, but she's idling without full choke. Choke's completely released. So we're good for tonight. All right, quick wrap up. Good. We found the clogs in the carburetor, got those adjusted, got it to idle without being full choke, so we're good there. We did fix the leaks, that was the first thing. So no fuel leaks, carb adjusted and unclogged, idle's good on its own, not full choke. Just because I had them, we did swap out during the night at some point. We swapped out spark plug wires. The yoke seal, oh, I didn't even video any of that. That was a battle. We didn't have any success. I don't know if people use Permatex or if it's just been in there so many years. We could not get that front yoke seal out. Pretty much destroyed it. Couldn't get it out. So next week our focus is we're going to pull the front of that yoke right off. See if we can get behind it and drive it out. Maybe cut it a little bit with a Dremel carefully, not to score the housing. But that was a nightmare. Didn't even video that part of it. So there was some success and some not success, but we're calling it a night. Jeremy just left, so I'm gonna head in the house, but if you would, subscribe, give us a like, comment. I'm gonna try to get better at doing these videos, but sometimes when you get into it and you're working, it's just hard to stop and mess with the camera when you're trying to really get something done, especially when you get to the point where you want to throw wrenches against a wall. So thanks for watching. Have a good night. Check us out next week. Thanks.